In many Asian recipes, bamboo shoots are a popular component. They have a crisp texture and a mild, earthy flavor, and are frequently eaten cooked or canned. You might be wondering if this vegetable is healthful and suitable to eat as part of a balanced diet despite its widespread appeal. This video explores deeper into the studies to establish whether bamboo shoots are beneficial to your health. Edible bamboo shoots can be found in a variety of recipes and are often prepared by boiling, soaking, cooking, or pickling them. Nutrition facts. Bamboo shoots are quite nutrient-dense. Each serving has a substantial quantity of fiber, copper, and vitamins B6 and E. When cooked, 1 cup, 155 grams, of bamboo shoots has 64 calories, 2.5 grams of protein, 4.5 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, copper, 19% of the daily value, B6, 14% of the daily value, vitamin E, 9% of the daily value, K, 3% of the daily value, riboflavin, 3% of daily value, thiamine, 3% of the daily value, phosphorus, 3% of the daily value for potassium, the daily value is 3%, iron, 3% of the daily value, might lower cholesterol levels. According to some research, eating bamboo shoots may help lower cholesterol and strengthen heart health. One study conducted in test tubes, for example, revealed that fibers taken from this crop had potent cholesterol-lowering effects. The soluble fiber in bamboo shoots might be the cause of this. In addition to absorbing water in the stomach, soluble fiber has been shown to lower cholesterol, improves digestive health. 1 cup, 155 grams, of bamboo shoots contains 2 grams of fiber, making them an excellent source of fiber. In addition to encouraging regularity, fiber may offer protection against conditions including diverticulitis, hemorrhoids, and colorectal cancer. Bamboo shoots have also been shown in test tube studies to function as a prebiotic, or to supply energy to the good bacteria in your stomach. According to research, the microbes in your gut may be crucial to both health and illness, and it may even be able to defend against diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and depression. It might help you lose weight. Bamboo shoots are a fantastic complement to a balanced diet for weight loss since they are low in calories and high in fiber. In order to help you feel fuller for longer between meals, fiber can help slow down the emptying of your stomach. According to one study, giving mice bamboo shoot fiber on a high-fat diet prevented weight gain by improving the health of their intestinal microbes. Nevertheless, further research is required to validate its possible advantages for humans. Drawbacks. Toxic levels of the cyanide taxiphyllin are present in fresh bamboo shoots. Different processing techniques, however, significantly lower their taxiphyllin level, making them typically safe to ingest. Before eating, the shoots need to be cooked or soaked and dried to lower the quantity of taxiphyllin. Additionally, regarded as goitrogenic, bamboo shoots have the potential to interfere with thyroid gland function. Certain chemicals isolated from bamboo shoots were shown to reduce the activity of thyroid gland cells, which are responsible for creating thyroid hormones, in a test tube investigation. Thankfully, thyroid dysfunction may be avoided by making sure your diet has adequate amounts of selenium and iodine. Cooking food can also reduce the amount of goitrogens left in it by deactivating some enzymes. As a result, even if you have thyroid dysfunction, you can safely eat fried bamboo shoots in moderation as part of a balanced, nutritious diet. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to press the bell button below this video to get latest updates of this channel.